Deb with Home Cooking is for the Birds. Let's just go ahead and jump into this. Guys, this was so yummy and so easy you won't believe it. We're going to start out with 2 cans of soup, and I've got chicken and dumpling soup, and this is from Walmart. It's Great Value brand. These are the large cans, 18.8 ounces. And I'm in no way affiliated with Walmart or being paid by Walmart to say that, but that's just where I purchased these. Then I'm just going to add some pepper to this. No need to add sodium. I'm sure those cans of soup have plenty of sodium in them. Then we are going to add a 12-ounce bag of frozen mixed vegetables. Add 2 pounds of pre-cooked shredded chicken, and you could use a rotisserie chicken for this. Just to make life a little bit easier, when I get home from the grocery store, I put my chicken in the Instapot, shred it up, put it in the freezer, and I have it for nights like this where I just need some shredded chicken. And there's a tip for you. Then we're going to give this just a little mix. Add 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Add about a half a cup of half and half. Now let's give this one final mix, but I'm not finished yet. We are going to preheat our oven for 350 degrees. Pop this in the oven for about 20 minutes. Yes, I should have preheated that before I started. So I got the cart before the horse, as they say. 20 minutes later, we're going to pull this out of the oven. We are going to take a can of biscuits. These are the large jumbo butter biscuits. And we're just going to start cutting these into bite-sized pieces and dropping them right on top. Melt a half a stick of butter and then just pour that right on top of those biscuits. Then back in the oven we go for another 20 minutes or so until your biscuits are browned. And voila, this is ready to be served. And y'all, this was absolutely delicious. My family loved this, and I have no doubt that your family will love this too.